Thank you, and thank you very much to the organizers for inviting me to this important event. And I'm delighted to address you all today on Screen4rare, an EU joint stakeholder initiative on newborn screening. And so my name is Johan Prevot. I'm the Executive Director of the International Patient Organization for Primary Immunodeficiencies. So a few words about Screen4rare. Screen4rare is a multi-stakeholder initiative which was launched by IPOPI, my organization, together with the International Society for Neonatal Screening, or ISNS, and the European Society for Immunodeficiencies, ESID. We have been working together, and we've been building on a long-standing collaboration between our organizations, first working also at the national level and then at the European level. Our ultimate objective is to ensure that all babies born in the EU can benefit from equitable access to newborn screening, which can be a life-saving tool for conditions and sometimes even curative in the case, for example, of SCID newborn screening. We also believe that the EU can play a key role as a support base to its member states and ensure more equitable access to babies born in the region. And I think we are really fully committed to work and collaborate with the EU institutions in pursuit of that goal. So one of our first actions dates back from December 2019, when we launched a call for action. This call for action has been supported by over 30 members of the European Parliament and a number of organizations, some of which are in attendance today. And it forces three specific actions: the development and implementation of overarching guidelines in the field of newborn screening, once again with the view to assist member states and to help member states in preparing their healthcare systems for the implementation of a newborn screening for a specific rare condition. The second objective pertains to the development of an EU-wide platform on newborn screening for rare diseases, where we can pull from the expertise of recognized societies working in the field. And we think that this can be achieved by following up on the 2012 report on practices in the field of newborn screening for rare disorders, where several crucial recommendations were actually made, including the creation of a European newborn screening standing committee, something that I think we will discuss again today. Last but not least, the cooperation to position the EU as the central point for data collection and information on rare diseases, newborn screening practices, and encourage the exchange of best practices that would again in turn support member states' efforts in the development and optimization of newborn screening programs. And this call for action has been the basis of our work with the EU institutions. It's also been the basis of the launch of an MEP, members of the European Parliament interest group on newborn screening that is starting to work on the matter as well. And it's great to have the intervention of MEP Pizarro and Tehnično today at the meeting. So we have been also working very much with the European Commission to organize the launch of an ERN newborn screening expert platform. A first meeting was organized in February of this year, where 19 out of 24 ERNs were in attendance and agreed that it would be an excellent initiative for the European reference networks, which they believe are centrally placed to contribute to optimizing access to equitable newborn screening across the EU. And as you can see, we have established three work streams, one on developing a blueprint of newborn screening, case definitions, and supporting the development of registries and interoperable registry data. And Metaburn and Rita in particular have been pivotal in organizing this meeting. And you can see that there were a number, or that there are rather a number of ERNs engaging as well. On the fact that we also launched the first International Neonatal Screening Day on June 28th this year. It marks the birth of Robert Guthrie, the inventor of the Guthrie card. And I think in future, this will be an excellent opportunity to raise further awareness, because this is something we really need to do It's raising awareness about the value of newborn screening for rare diseases patient populations. So this is my last slide. I think that today is a key step for discussing a supportive EU approach to newborn screening for rare diseases, to achieve more equitable access to newborn screening across the EU, and to ensure we prepare for the future and a fast evolving newborn screening landscape. We've seen a lot of progress in the last decade, and I think we can expect very exciting developments in the decade to come. And that means that the EU has to see newborn screening as a priority in its rare diseases environment. Screen4rare is certainly committed to continue supporting EU newborn screening actions moving forward. With this, I would like to thank you very much, and it's my pleasure to pass the hand to Mr. Jan Lecam from Eurovis, who will be speaking to us about the priorities of the rare diseases patient community. Thank you.